Hello guys, so today we're gonna explore this whole thing in here. We can explore that due to my mom and issues. So let's welcome our bro. Say hello.
Hello!
Okay, he did it guys. Ikaw naman sabihin mo, hello guys.
Hello guys, I'm TJ.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, share, and thank you.
Come out and explore this place.
Tara.
What's the word?
Go. Okay, sorry for that language. Please translate it.
Doon, siguro ako barber siya. Wala. Si Papa kasi basket. Tara dito. TJ. Tara dito.
Now let's explore this whole thing in our house.
Duhan ano ba niya? Good. Good done. Very, very good.
Okay, though, I will continue the video in part 2. Say bye.